What's up, everyone? Just looking today at hiding and showing columns. So you might be in a situation like this where you have a bunch of columns. In this case, we have just a numbers column, a couple formula columns, and if you change a number in the tax rate to, let's say, 0%, you'll see that our tax amount is 0 and our total is 0. And now, say if you change that to 50, you will get half of that. The thing is, you might not want to look at this all the time. So what you can do is have these calculations that happen, and then you only show the result of them, right? We might only want our total, for example. To do that, we're going to click the hide button in our little filters menu. And then in here, you can search the column names. So we're going to go, let's say we don't need to see the subtotal. So we can uncheck that, it disappears. We also don't need to see the tax amount. And we're going to keep the tax rate and the total. And what you can do is save as a new view. And we can call that total amount. And what it does then is it keeps it in that way. So it still works the same way. Your columns still function the same way. If I change this to 0 again, you will see that my total goes back to 100. And if I change this back to 50, that will go to 150. That's it. Thanks for watching.